The reason you can't lock in anymore isn't TikTok's fault. It's because your noggin is straight up starving for one specific thing. I'm not being theatrical. Your attention span isn't shattered. It's just chronically underwhelmed by mid-year sludge. You're doom swiping through reheated trauma dumps, counterfeit productivity porn, and cats that meow in Cardi B's. No wonder your focus ghosted you. But peep this quick fix. Don't eat TikTok and skip that 3-day dopamine detox that ends with you face planting into a tub of cookie dough ice cream. Instead, hunt down one single thing to geek out on, something that yanks your brain forward like a magnet. Maybe it's chess openings that slap, maybe it's coding side projects that glow, maybe it's dropping micro screenplays, cooking like you've got secret Michelin stars, whatever. The only rule, it's yours, and it drags you into the deep end.